I'm Richard Garnett from Wisdom Systems in Hereford. We've been developing and supplying closed transfer systems around the world for the last 30 years. We'd now like to show you how these systems operate in practice. This is the EasyConnect cap. It replaces the traditional cap with one which is much easier to use at the farm, and it comprises of three parts. First, the dust cap, which is easily removed, the bung in the middle, and then the cap itself. And this is profiled to allow it to connect directly onto a corresponding coupler. What happens when that is connected, and we move the handle, a probe comes up, enters the container, allows air in and liquid out. To show you that in detail, we have a bottle here which has got the same cap on, but with a window cut in the side. So we place that on the coupler, attach it, that's now firmly held by the coupler. As I bring the handle round, the probe has come up, as I showed you just now, and brings the bung out of the container closure, allows the air in, and allows liquid to be taken out with a vacuum generated by the sprayer. If you don't want all the chemical, you can reclose the container. You can wash the back of the cap in that position and then disconnect the container and place it back on the shelf. Many operators ask if using a closed transfer system will improve the efficiency of filling the sprayer, or will it just be something that gets in the way? So what I'd like to demonstrate to you now is just how quickly you can empty a bottle like this directly into the sprayer. So first thing is to remove the dust cap, place it on top of the unit, pull the handle round to there, and this is how fast it takes 1 litre of liquid into the sprayer. And then we can rinse it clean. Wash the back of the cap. And off, ready for disposal. To adapt any sprayer to accept closed transfer system, there's been a development of this flat-face dry brake coupling which attaches into the standard induction system of any sprayer, or can be added as an extra. And once this is a part of the sprayer, then closed transfer equipment of any variety can attach and detach with this flat-face coupling very cleanly and quickly. So on, you can use the closed transfer system, or disconnect to allow the sprayer to go to the field without the system attached. By selecting an optimized container like this one, you can have a result of not only a very fast transfer, but also minimal residue left in the container. A typical standard IBC may have a residue of 12 to 15 litres, or maybe even more. But as you saw in this one, it is as little as 100 millilitres. When the operator wants to take liquid from the container, they snap out the cap, place the coupler on the valve, rotate it, and press the handle down. Nothing is happening, no fluid is flowing until this yellow handle is opened. As soon as we do that, the meter begins to measure. We've got a flow established of 35 litres a minute, and you can control the speed of the dispense very carefully with the handle and stop it at any point. Once that's happened, you can release the coupler. We let a little air in to empty the hose, and then we can put this onto the rinse socket that's supplied with the equipment to flush the system clean. There are many grants available to help farms adapt their sprayers to have close transfer systems fitted, and these sources of funding could be local water companies, local chemical suppliers who have access to funds to assist, and they will also provide you with information on the cost of the equipment and which chemicals are available in suitably adapted containers. If you need any advice on how to get equipment for your farm, please consult your agronomist, your local chemical supplier, or anyone from a water company near you.